The reason you're broke has nothing to do with your work ethic, your intelligence, or your luck. It's because you're trying to fly a jumbo jet with the engines installed backward. You're pushing forward with all your might, but the system is physically designed to pull you back. Today, we fix the engineering. We are going to flip those engines around, ignite your financial propulsion system, and generate a tailwind so powerful it makes wealth chase you. This is Captain Leanne from the Manifestation Flight Academy. Here, I fuse spiritual manifestation with scientific application and practical financial intelligence to help you break through financial drag and reboot your life's navigation system. Now, let's talk about those backward engines. Imagine a 747 on the runway. The pilot slams the throttle, the engines roar, but the plane just shudders and stalls. Why? Because the engine is trying to suck air from the back and push it out the front. In engineering, this is called a compressor stall, and it's exactly what happens in your financial life when you operate on the code, "I'll give when I have money." You're creating a vacuum. You're trying to swim without water. You are reversing the physical laws of thrust, and the result is a total system flameout. To fix this, we need to consult the 3 departments of our holistic manifestation flight disciplines. First, the wealth engineer brings out the blueprints. He points to Newton's third law: for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. To move forward, you must push something backward. Your wealth is the reaction. Your giving is the action. The formula is simple: net profit equals scale times magnitude. How many people are you helping, and how deeply are you helping them? That is the sole determinant of your thrust. Second, the high-dimensional flight coach opens the star charts. She calls it the karmic thrust principle. To get a fruit, you must first plant the seed. Want wealth? Plant seeds of generosity. Help someone else get what you want. This isn't morality, it is the universe's operating system. A seed of scarcity can only grow a tree of lack. Finally, the neural system architect plugs into the cockpit's biofeedback. He confirms that money is energy. When you hoard it out of fear, it stagnates. But when you give, even a tiny amount, you perform a powerful signal hack on your subconscious. You are telling your brain's survival wiring, "I have more than enough." This instantly breaks the scarcity loop and switches your frequency from lack to abundance. The universe doesn't read your bank account, it reads your frequency. So how do we apply this? We initiate the Holistic Manifestation Flight Operations Protocol. 2 simple steps. First, the external action, the generous 10% protocol. Starting today, set aside 1 to 10% of every dollar you receive. This is your giving fund. The amount doesn't matter, the flow does. Give it to fertile soil, someone who has helped you, someone in urgent need, or an organization that helps many others. And here's the critical part: when you give, detach completely. You are not making a transaction with a person, you are activating a physical law of the universe. Second, the internal action, the seed irrigation meditation. Every night, before you sleep, close your eyes and replay the moment you gave. See the relief on their face. Feel the smile in their eyes. And then, feel genuine joy for your own action. Tell yourself, "I am a person who has the capacity to give." This joy is the water that makes the seeds of abundance sprout in your subconscious while you sleep. This is just a small part of our flight course. Want the full Holistic Manifestation Flight Manual? Leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and click the Google form link in the description to enter your email. I'll send you the complete PDF manual for free. Remember to subscribe to You Are Light, and I'll see you in the next class.